Hey there everyone, welcome back to Trading Flow YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna to predict and analyze tomorrow's market. Before getting started, let's see yesterday's levels which I have given in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Along with that I have also suggested you two stocks for intraday. Let's see the levels. You can see I have suggested Tata Motors. Yesterday I have given this level. If this 0.3 and this trend line breaks, then you can take entry up to 0.5, and I said if this 0.5 level breaks, then you can keep a target up to 0.6. And you can see even we got it made a high of around 410 rupees, and hope one who have missed here, they have taken in the pullback and they have made some good money. Coming to next stock. Yes, this is TechM, but TechM, according to our view, it's not triggered. I yesterday suggested itself like it's forming a head and shoulder, and only take entry when it breaks 0.5. So it break 0.5 but did not sustain. Might be who have taken here might got their stop loss hit. And coming to today's Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's get to Nifty first. Nifty, as I said, we know we are bearish in the Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and we remain the same until and unless this supply zone breaches out. So let's go and check what is the possibility for the tomorrow's intraday session. As tomorrow is Friday, so might be option sellers, big players might book their profits, and might be I am expecting some consolidation or like profit booking in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So let's see what are the possible approaches we can see in the 1 hour time frame. We have discussed about this trend line yesterday itself, so let's switch to 10 minutes time frame. And I am using Fire's platform, and you can see it's just the replica of the trading view. You can see the same futures and same thing. You feel the same experience here. Even if anyone want to open the account in Fires, we have placed the link in the description. They can go and check it out. So here you can see today even it got rejection from that same trend line as well as this level. If you have seen, you can easily short here. This type of setups you find a high risk reward. See, you can place your stop loss here, and you would have cashed this rally. And about let's okay, now let's see for the tomorrow session. So it's very simple. If we take recent swing high, let me consider recent swing high. Let's take this high and recent swing low, and if we draw the Fibonacci, so you can see exactly at the 0.6 level we are getting 0.6 as well as trend line at one time. So it's going to be a very good setup. In further, if you get any this type of setups, obviously you can trade here, because we are getting cluster here. Cluster is nothing but, as I said, multiple setups are suggesting either buy or sell. Like for example, some chart patterns are suggesting you bullish, and your indicator is also suggesting bullish, then it's called the cluster. So here the type of setup, but if anyone not traded this, it's okay. But in our paid channel we have given this call, and I'm gonna to show you also that. So what gonna to be tomorrow's range? Like in between this range we again can see the volatile range. And if it get rejection from this level, like if you want to go long in this, obviously it should break 15,800, or as I said 15,900. So as we are in the bearish side, so if market or is if Nifty breaks this 0.5, then you can keep the target of 0.7 and you can do a scalping trade. But remember that we have multiple rejections on the top side, we have multiple uh, resistance on the top side, so better you go for the short. And if Nifty reject this 0.6 level, and if we get any reversal pattern here, then you can place it, and your target going to be 0.3. And if it breaks this range, if it breaks today's low, then you can go for short. If it breaks today's low, we can see more fall here, because as I explained you, this is going to be a support here. So Moreover, in this range we can see more volatile, so make sure you trade with less quantity in order to protect your capital. So even we come to bank nifty is also in the supply zone, and we are discussing it from past 3 days, and still our view remains the same. And if we come to nifty, then I have placed again draw a Fibonacci from this high to this low, and you can see if we want to go long in this, then obviously it should break 0.3 level, then only we can go long in the bank nifty. If it breaks tomorrow like this, then we can go, and this 0.6 gonna to be our target, or at least for the scalper 0.5 gonna to be target. As I also mentioned, in nifty we have multiple resistance here, like if you see even this is a resistance, and if you see this is going to be resistance, so we have multiple resistance on the top side. So better, if you want to trade on the long side, then make sure you have a strong signal, and also make sure you see your risk reward and make a scalp trade and book your immediate profits and get out of that. You can plan that. And the second setup gonna do, it will get reject from 0.3. If it get reject from 0.3, then obviously our target gonna to be this level, 33,132, because you can simply see here it have taken support and resistance multiple times here. So this gonna to be a support, but for betterment we can see much volatile in between this range. If you are a safe trader, if you want to trade only on high probability setups, then you have to wait until it break this range, either top or bottom, so that you can place your targets for 1:2 ratio even. So this going to be my analysis in nifty as well as bank nifty. I hope you understood my levels. So let me also show you the nifty as well. Nifty also, if you are a safe trader, you can avoid this range even. Let's go to one stock. I have selected one stock for you. The simple analysis in the stock is, you can see here is a head and shoulder pattern. Let me draw for you also. This is head and shoulder pattern, and you can see a trend line. You can see we are getting a trend line rejection from here. Even today's market session, it got rejection from this trend line. Let me go to 10-minute time frame and show you. So overall trend, if you see in the overall trend, it's in the uptrend. You can clearly see it's in the uptrend. It's making higher highs and higher lows. It looks similar to the flag pattern. So if it breaks this resistance, then you can go for quick trade like a scalp trade up to here, same like yesterday's Tata Motor structure. And if it directly break this one, then you can go long by looking any pullback. Like if it directly break this one or open gap up above this, then you can go long in this. Or else if it break downside, let me also, or else if it break downside, let me also show you. If we scroll down, you can see it is important support. So if it break this one, if it break below this one, then you can go for, you can go short up to this as your target. So this is going to be my analysis in the Sriram Transport, but still I recommend, well, you can go for long, because you can see we have a good head and shoulder structure in daily time frame, as well as it is in the uptrend. So I recommend you to, you can go for both setups, but if you get downside, then make sure you go with half of your quantity. If it break this one, even if it breaks this trend line, you can go with your half of your quantity. And if you get confirmation of breaking this high, then you can add you another 50% here. This gonna to be my analysis in Sriram Transport. Then I gonna to also share you with another intraday pick, that is DFL Limited. And you can clearly see here, we have a structural resistance here. Even this DFL has the same scenario, it's in the uptrend, and we are getting support from this trend line. So tomorrow we have two possibilities. It may break this trend line, and we can see downside move up to this level, and it can take back support from here and it can move, or else you can also know the supports by simply drawing Fibonacci just from this recent swing low to this swing high, so that you can find, as I have drawn here 0 0.6, this is going to be your important support, as well as this is going to be your target if it break this trend line, or else if it break this, if it breaks this resistance, then you can look for any pullback and you can go for long in this DLF limiter. So I hope you like this analysis, and let's show you one important thing. Yes, this is trading floor prediction. In our premium channel, we have given this particular calls for educational purpose. You can see 32,500 in the very morning, when market open, we have given at buy price, and you can see the stop loss, it's of only 15 points stop loss, and you can see the targets we reached 788, and for 4 lots we got 33,300. This is, you can take the screenshot of this, or else you can directly join our Telegram channel, link is in the description. You can experience this type of accuracy even in the free channel as well. And let me show you, even we have some feedback from our clients. You can see these are the profit screenshots where our premium members made these profits. And we have three channels, official channels, that is trading floor, which have 4,800 subscribers, and another one, we have a premium channel where we share a lot of educational content here, and we have a academy, it is free of access, like even you can join here. And here we share live market charts, and one who are very interested in learning, they can directly join this, where we share a lot of charts. You can see here, even we run some polls and educational everything related trading. So even the talk of our premium channel is today's hero zero call. Like we have given only 30 points of risk and we have achieved 262 points. And we do this regularly in the weekly expiries. And if you are new to this channel, and if you are watching this is your first video, then I recommend you to join this trading flow channel, and you can experience our chats and learning and lot of educational content we share here. So see you in the next video. Until then, we are signing off. Jai Hind. Fearless.